Yes, yes. Look who's got the new lens. Danny calling me out saying he's going to start the Defender. He's got them wide in. The moment of truth is, are they going to work? Go on. Oh, you like that? That's bad boy. Oh yeah. The England LED flag lit up, mate. It's looking good. Looks bad boy. That'll look good in the night. The moment of truth, me and Danny D are about to put the bumper on the Defender. We're going to put it on the Defender and hopefully it's going to look way better and it's not going to fly off.
It's a plea to bliss, I'm free from pain. On my left I
Look at that. That looks much better. Yeah, Jake's away. Lucky for me, Jake and me, I don't want to gas myself up too much, but we work a lot. Like we love what we do, we're on it, we don't really care. Like work doesn't even feel like work. So he's in Crete right now. He's actually doing a lot of sales work right now, so he's just calling all the customers, making bookings. Well, the busy Friday carries on and Danny's about to prep Model 3. I've printed it all, so I'm just waiting on him to prep it. We're going to pull it inside, start PPFing it. This man is on. What the fuck is that? World's biggest butter.
Leave that to do its work.
Loads of work to do. Friday's finished, it's now 8 o'clock. I'm going out on Friday night. I don't normally go out on a Friday night because I've got work tomorrow, but I'm feeling some Turkish food. And Jake's not here to keep me company, so to keep myself happy, I'm going to have some Turkish. I'll let you know how it is. Some tomato tomatoes. Just class. Monday morning and the AMG's out. Needs collecting from the customer, and what we got here, Tesla full stealth. I'm gonna try to sat in PPF this whole Tesla on my own in one day today. Got my little breakfast over here, and then we'll have a little bit of fruit, bit of peanut butter, and then I'm gonna have a double shot of coffee and just see how much I can nail down. So, I think it's like 3 o'clock, so we haven't looked at the time yet. But a lot of the cars are actually done. All the hardest pieces are done. I'm still trying to do the challenge of doing it all in the day. But we just got like 5-7 pieces left, so we just got this area. But the stealth, I think it looks really cool. The car looked much better, a lot more aggressive. I'll put you back on the time lapse, let's see if I can get it done. Danny's doing the wheels off, ceramics, just took them off, ceramic coated them. And he's going to pack them with the front too, so you might see him coming in and out of the shots as well. Almost PPF the whole Tesla in a day, to be honest, but I got really close, did better than expected. There's only like an hour of work left on the car, which is really impressive. I have been staying late to get it done, but that looks so good. Customer is gonna be over the moon. That little sparkle as well. Yes, Danny D's on the camera. He's done. It was a challenge, and as you can tell, I'm tired, but there's about 4 or 5 of the cars that we need to sort out, so I'm just gonna get straight into them. But yes, Danny's job today, cheeky M850i, prepping it for a ceramic coating. Look at the wheels. These M850i's, fuck me, they kick out some brake dust. Have a look at this. Jesus, like a raspberry fucking milkshake. Woo! Roof's on, finish it off. The bonnet to go, full check, glossy, Defender, get it gone, stunner. Full body kit, full satin PPF, windscreen done. Yes, the big J&J, but look what's going on. Look what's going on out here. What have we got here? Urus Peppermante. This, another one for the boys, which needs to be cleaned by the one and only Mobile Detailing. This is my own part, Mobile Detailing. Big Shane on site. Here he is, about to clean the Urus for us. Get it fresh for the Dynasty boys. You got anything to say to the people on YouTube, Shane? Looks like transitions down a bit. Good. It looks like way down. The gloss on the spring just out of it. Yeah. See a bit right. Yeah, the gloss really brings that out of it. In the straight sit in the sun. Do you think it's hidden? Off she goes. Customer was so happy. Stunner. Saturday. That wraps up this week for me, guys. Thank you for joining me on my journey. What do I think about the week? It was hard. It wasn't like, the thing is, because Jake's away this week, it wasn't like a business week. I wasn't on business mode. I was just on labour grafter mode. So I just PPF'd, handed over cars, obviously banged out the gym, had a bit of fun on the weekend, and yeah, I just got the cars gone, got the cash in, which is the main thing. So when Jake's actually back, then we will be smashing it back to normal. I'll actually be able to sit down in my office, make calls, make content, do the stuff that I love doing as a business owner, and not just be stuck on the job. But yeah, Turbo S behind me now. So on the next episode, that's where we'll be starting. And if you liked it, guys, follow. Oh, I know, it's not Instagram. Like, subscribe, and share it, and that helps us, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.